Hey guys, okay. Hush, shh. Now, I am going to tell it like it is. There's a lot of affiliate marketers that keep this secret, but I'm going to tell you today how you can make $500 in affiliate marketing in 30 days or less, for sure. You're gonna make more, but I'm telling you, this way that I'm fixing to show you, you're definitely gonna make $500. And I say hush, hush, because this is what affiliate marketers don't want you to know. They don't want you to know that you can do it, that it's actually easy. Everybody makes it sound like it's so hard and you have to do all of this kind of work and do this and do that, but you know what? It's easy, and I'm fixing to prove it to you. I'm gonna show you everything. One, you're gonna need a product. I'm gonna show you my favorite place that's free that you can go and you can grab a product. Two, a lot of people won't tell you up front that you're really gonna need software to do the affiliate marketing the right way. I'm gonna show you software that's free as well. And three, again, people don't tell you that you're gonna need traffic. I'm gonna show you the best place that's free where you can find traffic. Are you ready? Okay, you don't know who I am? I'm Shelly Hopkins. So you just stay with me, subscribe if you want more of this, and let's get into the video. All right, number one, let's find a product. So let's find a product. Let's go to clickbank.com. If you don't have an account, create one. It's free and it's super easy. Okay, you go up here and you go to Marketplace. Okay, there's tons of stuff that we can choose from. Health and fitness, which is really popular. Education, self-help, software and services, sports, travel, you name it. You know, like I said, health and fitness is really popular. Let's go there. And then what I like to do, if you go up here to the top, if you go by gravity, this will tell you the most money you're gonna get and what's popular, what's really working. Like if you look at this gravity score, this in here is like 4.7 something, that, juice, Java burn, glucose trust, the smoothie diet, detox, you got stuff to choose from, blood sugar support. Really don't like none of those. Go to the next one. The Godzilla of offers. Diabetes free, back to life, slim crystal, new pure, something Shelly can't pronounce, new all day slimming tea, pro prosta steam, flat belly tonic. Flat belly stuff does really good. We're gonna stick with this one. I use flat belly in a lot of my examples. So we're gonna go with this one. What you do is you'd actually click on promote, tracking ID, create a hop link, okay, copy. This is copied. Okay, no, that link was long and ugly. Now we can leave that real long link, or we can hit create. We're gonna go to bit.ly.com and create a new link that's prettier. And don't worry, Bitly is free. So if you paste that right here and go to create, you put what it is here. It was like, I don't know, a tea thing. You can actually put here and put whatever it is. and then click on save, and I'm not going to because I don't want to actually save it. And then you have a short link, and I'm going to tell you what you're going to do with that short link. Okay, we got our product, we got our short link. What's next? Let's go to number two. And number two is a funnel builder. Don't freak out, it's really easy. I'm going to show you. I'm telling you, people and affiliate marketers blow this way out of the portion. This is going to be easy, and this is a free software. It's the system.io. And don't worry, I'll go ahead and tell you now, I have a link down in the description. If you want to, I'm going to show you how to do a funnel, but if you want to just take one and edit it, I'll have a funnel down in the description as well. And I'm creating a completely free course on system.io. So go ahead, and you're going to want to, just to make sure that you don't miss out, email me at shellyhopkins.com, and I'll have that down there as well. Let's go. Okay, this is cool because it's the easiest and fastest way to grow your online business. They say that because it's all in one. Now, this isn't what I have used, but the more and more I use it, because I have a couple different, I have 2 accounts. This is my test account. I'm really starting to like it because there's tons of people that come to me and like, Shelly, I want something free just to get started. And so this is really great because if you're a beginner, this is so easy and it's free. And a lot of people don't believe me. So they'll be like, it's just a free trial. So see, it says get started for free. Let's just go to pricing and show you so you don't think I'm crazy. See, $0 a month. Contacts, you get to 2,000. That's unheard of. Nobody does that. Sales funnels is $3. Even the main one that I use for 3 funnels is $50. It's unlimited for 100. Most all software like this is $100 or more. Usually if you get email, the most popular one, I'm just gonna say it, is like ClickFunnels. And with email, it's $300. And you can get email with this for free. And you get 10 sales funnel steps, which you get 3 funnels. And then with the $27, you get 10, you get up to 50, and then it's unlimited with the $97 plan. And if you were to switch over from something else, I just found this out this week. If you were to switch over, they help you completely migrate your whole business, like all of your funnels, your existing everything, and they help you switch it all over. I'm like, no way. So, okay, let's get started. You need a funnel. And the reason why that you need a funnel is because I want to show you how to do this the right way. No, you can go ahead and you can take that first link that we got from ClickBank and you can put it out anywhere. You can put it out on social media, your Facebook site, anywhere. I'm going to show you where I think you should put it. And it will work because people will click on it. They're going to buy and you're going to get that big payout, okay? You're going to get that huge percentage because that's what affiliate marketing is. You sell other people's stuff and you get a percentage. But the best way to do it is you need email marketing. So I'm going to show you how to do that because you do that in a funnel. And you just need like 2 steps. That's it. So in here, I'm just going to do it. Let's just create a funnel. Let's name this, I forgot what it's called, the T thing. We want to, let's build an audience. US dollars, create. The first one is, they call it a squeeze page. You usually always just want something pretty simple and easy, like this. Select. Okay, it comes with its own URL. You can change it, but I just wanted to show you the basics of how to do this. Squeeze page name, we'll call this, I like to say which I call it a landing page. We'll call it landing page or T thing. And okay, so this is gonna be where they're gonna put their name, they're gonna put their email address, and then right here, I'll add a video at the end that has, I even did a whole full video on system.io that I can show you. So for now, we just need to get main details. So in here, you can see the send form to the next step, and I'll show you how to do that. And then here's all the stuff you can choose from. To show you, yeah, you click this little button right here is what gets you in here. And here's all of the stuff you can choose, elements, settings. See, it's pretty easy. It doesn't go into title squeeze page. It doesn't go into too much depth. I want to show you this. This is search engine optimization. It's just in settings. Not a lot of funnel builders have this. Like say we're doing, T thing, and the description, and you can put the keyword for the T thing, what comes with it and everything, and it'll help Google find your funnel. Okay, for now we have that. Just click on save changes, get out, okay. Thank you page, edit. Okay, now on the thank you page, this is going to be where you are going to want to put the link. Now, as whatever the product that we had, you would go in. Okay, now if we were going to go back, this is funny. Okay, we're gonna go back to ClickBank. And remember, we actually decided on flat belly tonic. No, I almost decided to redo the video, at least the parts where I said T. I think I got T because we had saw on here a T thing. But I'm not going to because I'm glad I messed up so we can show you how you change some stuff. So it's flat belly tonic. And we clicked on affiliate page. Now, if we can look at it and kind of see what it looks like, this is kind of blah, because I was gonna say you can match the colors. It's not gonna be really hard to do. There's not much color to it. But I was gonna say you can match the colors and put it in here to kind of match that, because what you're gonna do is in here is going to be where you put the link. Now, this is gonna be the link that goes to the product. So you can be like, thank you for signing up. And then since it's you want to get you out there. So you might even have like a video and be like, hey, I've learned this about this, blah, 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 blah. Click the video down below. If it's a video, or click the link down below and you're going to go farther into the rabbit hole and you're going to learn more. To actually do that, if you go here, you always want to click on this little wrench thingy and URL. This is exactly, I said put it here, but I need to actually show you where it was. If you go in here and this is the actual URL area. And then you'll do save changes. Now the whole main reason is because you want to collect email addresses, right? So that's where you go into automation here. No, email, campaigns, create. And I called it T, flat belly. Description, save campaign. And then if you go to automations, rules, add a rule. Okay. You can add, we're gonna add some tag, a funnel step form subscribed. You don't want to block, campaign completed, and then this is an action. Subscribe to campaign and subscribe, add a tag, send email. Let's do subscribe to campaign, flat belly, safe rule, and it's tied together. So if we were to go back to our funnel T, kill me. Shelly, it's not perfect. Oh, I clicked on view, that's just gonna show what it looks like. No, T thing. All right, okay, if we go up here to funnel settings, that's why I said it's okay that I messed up. Go up to funnel settings and we come here and we can put flat belly, think, and save. Now, if we go to Sweets page, edit. Okay, if we go here, next step URL. This is the first page. You also have send form, and then go to the next step. There's also a bunch of stuff that you can play with and stuff, but I just want to show you basic funnel and save changes and how you can connect it to the email, because that's what you want to do. You want to collect emails, and then exit. And here's automation, and you can go in there and you can start adding emails if you want. And a lot of the places, I didn't look at that one, but a lot of the stuff, especially out on ClickBank, will already have emails provided. So you can just copy and paste and put them in your automation. So the emails, once people subscribe, the emails are gonna start boom, boom, boom coming out. Hey, are you getting anything out of this? If so, do me a favor and give me a like. All right, we got our product, we have our funnel that's free and easy and you know how to do it. So now what? You need traffic. Okay, let me show you what I think is the best place and the easiest place for traffic. Now, number 3 is TikTok. That's my traffic source. Now, you don't have to listen to me if you're thinking, oh no, Shelly. I mean, you can do Facebook, you can do Pinterest, you can do Instagram. I don't care. Don't listen to me. But this is what people don't tell you. I mean, this stuff is really easy. Shh. I'm telling you the secrets. Okay, it's really self-explanatory, and I'm showing you the easiest and the cheapest way. But TikTok is what's working right now, so I'm just being honest. You just go into TikTok, the pretty link that I told you, you put it up at the top. It's as simple as that. This is what it just looks like on a computer. Now I have 2 accounts. The others Make Money with Shelly, if y'all want to check it out, and then this one is Shelly Hopkins. Don't forget to subscribe to these 2. But you talk about flat belly, so that's the example, and you just sit here and you make videos and you talk about it and you teach about it, and you say, hey, go up to the bio. And they're gonna go to the bio, they're gonna buy, and then you're gonna get your percentage. It's that easy. Don't be scared. It does take a little bit just to pick up the phone, but once you pick up the phone several times, it'll come. I'm sitting in the car and I'm bored. I'm like, hey, it'll come to you, I promise. All right, guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, give me a thumbs up. It helps me, helps the algorithm, helps more people learn this stuff for free. And remember, if you want to check out System.io, I have the link below. I'm in the middle of working on a whole full course for you. So don't worry about that. You're gonna have your full knowledge of exactly how to do everything in it. And there's gonna be a video that's gonna be up next, and it's actually a full tutorial that's on System.io that you need to check out too. I promise you're gonna like it. Also, if you want to learn affiliate marketing and go farther down the rabbit hole and keep going and learn some high-ticket affiliate marketing, then I strongly suggest that you click the link down below where I talk about what I personally recommend for you. Okay, now this video is gonna pop up and I'm gonna see you in it because I'm in it. Okay, bye.